So we are out here today, Southeast Portland. We're doing a 5K install. As you can see here, the client has rotten fascia boards. Doesn't look like the gutters that were put on here were installed properly. They had strip miter corners. Corners weren't put together properly. So they have rot. Aaron's over there fixing some fascia board. And we're going to showcase this product called Alu-Rex, which is a gutter guard product that also serves as a continuous hanger. So we'll be showing you that today. So the fascia rot turned into more than we expected. We had to remove all of this, and the soffit was all rotten as well. We don't do soffit very often, but cases like this, they have a notched fascia, so the soffit sits into the notch. So we are going to take this fascia and replace these soffits here, this primed notch for the replacement. Alright, so we got this piece of soffit out, pulling the nails. We're going to put the new piece in here. Alright, so we have the new soffit installed and the new fascia board notched for it to slip into. Placed down there, everything's all caulked off, looking a lot better. Alright, everything's primed, caulked, new soffit, new fascia tied in here. Here's the other patchwork. Ready for gutters. Here's what we were replacing for the soffit. This is the underside. This is side facing down, pretty rough on these. This is what happens when you have leaky corners on your gutters. How we were able to do it, we kind of routed a channel, a notch out of all the fascia board, and that's where the soffit sits in there. That's how it's held up, it's supported, because there's nothing to shoot it to, so we had to do this to all the replacements. So this is the Alu-Rex continuous hanger gutter guard. It's pretty cool. So this is a 70-foot run, so for these big long runs it's extra helpful to have this because it's all a continuous hanger. It hooks inside the lip in here, and instead of having brackets every couple feet or nails through the face, it's nice and clean. It clips on the back here, and then we crimp it so it stays until install, and then when the install happens we put 2-inch screws all through the back to pin it into the fascia board. So it's very cool. So it's a permanent gutter guard, but we add access panels. We add access panels into different sections for where downspouts are and places where you're going to want to clean it out in the future with a hose. So pretty cool. Wherever there's downspouts, you put these access panels in. Here's the cover for it. Hooks in, closes down like that. Take it off. You need to jet your downspout with a hose. That's how you do it. Okay, we got our first 70-foot run installed. There's an access panel there. other side of the house. Got our access panel here. I'm gonna punch this outlet for a downspout down the wall. Nice long piece.